Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Fatahia and friends. My name is Nur Husna binti Muhammad Misraji, and along with the team members Shahira and Ani Sufia, we're going to present to you about assignment 1 with the title of Introduction to Chemical Product Design. So I'm going to start with the introduction. What is chemical product design? Chemical product is chemicals, which is O2, H2, gasoline, for example, and products are the species formed from the chemical reactions. Okay, next is product design. Product design is a system consisting of different chemical substances which are designed and manufactured for one or more purposes. So basically, if we mix these two, we're going to get the definition of chemical product design. Chemical product design are the applications of both the fundamental theories for engineering product design and development in a chemical engineering discipline. So there are 4 steps of chemical product design. First, needs, then ideas, then selection, and the last one is manufacture. So in this assignments, we're going to talk about these 3 issues. First, why chemical product design is important. Second, the procedure proposed by the authors for designing a chemical product. And the third one is the limitation in implementing the procedure.
Okay, I will continue this presentation with why chemical product design is important. Chemical product design is the most important aspect to determine the performance of the product directly and clearly. There are some criteria and process involved to design this chemical product, which is defining the need in that design, and then think of ideas to meet that need, and the third, select the best of that ideas and decide the product look and its manufacture. There are 2 main reasons why chemical product design is important. Firstly, as we can see at the screen, the change in the chemical industry is one of the reasons why chemical product design is important. This is because this chemical product design may affect the majority production of the products, which are maybe affected by company profit, economy, and others. Nowadays, as we know, the competition among the companies, especially for new product development, is increasingly competitive in the global market. They need the ability to continuously identify customer needs and create products that meet such needs to succeed in their business. For example, next. If we look at figure 1 shown here, from 1948 until 1989, the chemical industry produced ever-increasing amounts of synthetic textile fibers. It grows year by year as we look at here. So it means that the chemical product design is very important to maintain or increase the chemical production industries. And then secondly, the other reason why chemical product design important is the change in employment. This is because chemical product design can affect the job taken by the companies for the graduates. In this case, we can see that when the chemical product design is used as an important process to get more profit and increasing production of the chemical product in industry and market global, so the number of graduates for the job also increases. For example, as we can see in figure number 2 shown here, there is an increase in the percentage of the engineering graduates who went to work in the consultation, commodity, and product from year 1970 to 2000. So there is the large number of chemical engineering graduates get to work in industries.
Okay, so the next issues that we're going to talk about is the procedure proposed by the authors for designing a chemical product. So there are a new conceptual model for chemical product design that being proposed, and there are 3 pillars in the chemical product design concept, which are chemical product pyramid, chemical product and process design integration, and also multifaceted approach. Okay, so the authors in this article, which are Kastler and Mogridge, has developed the concept by proposing 4 essential steps in designing a chemical product. First is the identification of needs that should be met by the product. Second step is the generation of product ideas which potentially satisfy the needs identified. The third step is selection of the most promising product idea. And the last step is the development of a process to manufacture the desired product.
Okay, next, the limitation in implementing the procedure. First is frameworks to effectively link product discovery to R&D efforts. The optimal planning of R&D efforts and scheduling approaches aim at a better coordination of the pipeline of a new products have been emerging as an interesting research field supporting effective product discovery. Second is modeling and optimization approaches for chemical product design. In chemical engineering, this modeling and optimization so focused in this department. In order to clarify chemical product design and the integration of chemical product and process design, knowledge in this area needs to be adapted and expanded. Computer-assisted molecular design (CAMD) is used to provide optimization-based reverse problem solution for identify compounds or mixture of compounds that have a set of possibilities previously defined. So in this field, so many challenges and opportunity remain untenable. An important research area of chemical product engineering is the global optimization, which is the objective function is formulate to resolve the product and process productivity and also consider not only economic factors, but also risk analysis, uncertainty, environmental effects, quality, cost, and health, and also has safety and social issues over the entire chemical product life cycle. Third is tools to convert problem representation spaces from customers' need to technical specifications. Conversion of new chemical products required by customers into complete products requires data transformation between different representative spaces. So in this chemical product, a system that is very important to provide a very effective understanding of the properties of performance, composition, and ingredients in a product. Next is development of predictive capabilities for physical properties. CAMD is a necessary in improving the skills to accurately predict the physical properties of compounds and mixture. There is a serious gap between current thermodynamic modeling capabilities to describe commodity chemicals and the knowledge of more complex chemical materials such as formulate products. Is systematic approaches supporting chemical product design. The chemical process has traditionally have been produced by costly and time-consuming processes for trial and error design. Systematic and integrated framework based on identified tools, methodologies, workflows, and data streams for interrelated activities involved in a new product design. Okay, so the conclusion, the engineering of chemical products is defined as the whole science and art of creating new chemical products, and it is also much broader field, incorporating the variety of knowledge, tools, and the processes that are required for and assist the core operation of the design of chemical products. So for chemical product design, understanding the product pyramid, whose vertices are occupied by the material, process, use, and product space is crucial. By property, process and usage function, the links between the different spaces represented in the product pyramid are established.
That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.